Okay,
What does he have
that
in
was
his
quite
hand?
the leap. I didn't think he was gonna go like no hesitation, just fly off.
A
Is he just gonna
pigeon?
let him go
Was
because
it
he
a
thinks
pigeon?
he's gonna die?
Dude.
Yeah.
He's holding a dove? What the fuck? He's holding
got
a
a
dove.
dove?
He's gonna try to jump.
Chin?
Oh,
Okay,
made
he
it.
jumped
Oh.
perfectly.
Oh yeah, it is. What the?
What's with the dove?
Why is he holding a dove?
It's gonna haunt my nightmares!
Where the fuck did he get that dove from?
No,
Is he gonna offer peace? What the fuck is happening?
Quite an experience to live in fear, isn't it?
Man.
That's what it is to be a slave.
Oh my god.
No! You see, he's not even killing him, right? Oh!
He saved
Got
him.
him?
Oh!
Oh, with the nail in his
He's
hand?
using his busted arm.
Is Roy just straight up saving Deckard?
Oh my gosh.
Shit. Why did he save him?
He
What?
saved him. To kill him himself?
Why did he?
What the fuck is happening?
Why did he save him?
Oh come on, dude.
Just holding
What's
a
going on?
random pigeon.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe.
Alright.
Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
Huh.
All those moments will be lost in time.
Hmm.
Like tears in rain.
Wow.
Wow. What a speech.
Time to die.
That's crazy.
It's so
I mean,
poetic.
in like a good way. It's beautiful. Really eloquent.
Is he going to let the pigeon go now?
What?
Then he just dies.
And like tears in the rain.
Really?
Did his 4 years just expire?
Wow.
So
He died.
his last act was to save him, not.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Twist and a powerful ending for the
He
replicant.
saved him and then he just ran out of his time?
Is that? I mean, is that it?
And I guess so.
I mean, we'll talk about it later, but is the replicant like the hero of this story?
Wait, Tidy to die for him? For the replicant? Because Deckard is still alive.
You've done a man's job, sir.
He saved him.
I guess you're through, huh?
Finished.
Shit. Even after he killed all his friends, he still saved him.
It's too bad she won't live.
Oh, they know.